In this video, we will learn what is a reusable component in ReactJS and how we can create one. A reusable component is a self-contained unit that can be used multiple times across the application. It allows you to avoid code duplication and makes your app modular and easier to maintain. Creating reusable components in ReactJS is one of its core concepts. Here's a basic guide to help you understand how to create reusable components. First, make sure you have Node.js installed and create a new React app by running given commands in terminal. This will start your React application and open it in the browser. Now, let's proceed with creating the reusable button component. Now let's create a simple button component that accepts a label and a click action as props. In button.js, add the following code. In this code, button is a functional component. It accepts label, the button text, and on click, the function to be called when clicked, as props. It renders a button element with the provided label and click handler. Now let's use this button component inside the main app.js to see how it works. In your App.js file, modify the code to use the button component. Now let's see what is happening here. We import the button component into App.js. We define a handle click function that shows an alert when the button is clicked. We reuse the button component 3 times with different label and on-click props. Now that everything is set up, your app should be running in the browser. You should see a heading and 3 buttons. Click me, submit, cancel. When you click each button, you'll see the appropriate alert pop up based on the on-click function passed as a prop. Thank you for watching. आपको वीडियो पसंद आए या नहीं? अपना फीडबैक जरूर देना and please subscribe.